Look at this. This is amazing. These beautiful bastards. Autumn sunflowers. Not quite autumn. We got some guanciale this time. I am doing, not pancetta, but, oh, it's a little hot, carbonara. And pancetta is that Italian bacon, the pork belly. And this guanciale is pork jowl, cheek. And you can see there is actually a huge difference. This stuff is going completely translucent. The fat goes translucent. That doesn't happen in pancetta. Amazing. Also working in our favor tonight. I love them dearly, but they ain't here. Yay! How about next year's show? Grandma's got the little ones. Bronze guanciale set aside. Cleaned out most of the grease. I left the remnants. We got the pasta in there, al dente, just the way she likes it.
Did you salt the water?
Did I salt the water? Of course, not like the Dead Sea or the Red Sea, but the Adriatic.
But you are the teacher's pet.
Oh, we're gonna play that game tonight. Woohoo! She even let me use her fancy scale. We got a couple of egg yolks, 1 or 2 whites, some fresh cracked black pepper, and some cheese.
Did you find the pecorino in there?
I'm pretty sure that's your job.
Let me find a magnifying glass.
Whoa. Look at this beautiful bastard. That's a teddy bear sunflower. It's amazing. You put this little tiny packet of genetic information in the dirt, fortify it with some love, out pops this gorgeous bastard. We got the pasta out. We got the pasta water on standby. You get the tincture of egg. All you got to do is not curdle the egg. So it's got to stay below a certain temperature, but it's got to emulsify the fats in the cheese. It makes a beautiful sauce, but it's a little bit tricky. I'm going to have to put you down because I got to stir. You got to harness the power of Nona and stir it with love and the frantic flailings of somebody who don't know what the fuck they're doing. Unfortunately, for the writer's strike, my cameraman is picketing the front of the property. Have another sip of wine. We'll get there. We'll get there. If you're Italian, I apologize. Please look away. Oh, beautiful. Okay, get your plate. And I'll take my Oscar the Grouch garbage can lid, please. Whoop. Thank you. That was a rhetorical request. Don't be shy. Guanciale. Got a little more. And then harder. Maybe a twist at the top. Living in paradise. We got the greasy fingerprints on the wine glass, just like Nona intended. Homemade. Grew these in our own dirt. Same thing with the beets. My wife, she gives me the beets, but don't tell anybody. And we got leftover, what you call that?
Sourdough.
Sourdough bread from my son, Hannibal. I wasn't allowed to name my boy Hannibal, so we named the sourdough starter Hannibal. Garlic bread. Served on the finest culinary aluminum foil available.
I was trying to avoid dishes.
Ooh la la, La France.
Pardon my Italian, but that's right fucking deadly.